Holy crap, another one! Damn! Oh god, I gotta read this.
Weather message for the following county, Crawford, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a large and extremely dangerous tornado is located near Guy's Mills,
What the?
7 miles east of Meadville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, camerolipsis, fuses as camerolipsis of vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Titusville around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Highttown, Townville, and Blooming Valley.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna prepare for damaging winds because I don't know. Got my video raised, so oh my god! Oh my goodness, this is not looking good. Well, and another tornado warning. Well, I'll see you guys later.